I think as a young actor, you really, not that I'm that young, but I mean, you really want to prove yourself, and you definitely want to prove yourself, to these iconic, actors who have been playing these characters, for 13 seasons. I mean, you want to come in and prove yourself. You want to prove that you're on your A game and you're not the weak link in the cast, and that this show and you being a part of it is something that they can be proud of.
But I think what's important is none of this new cast takes themselves too seriously, and that's the key. There's no prima donnas or divas, even internally. It's not there.
How important was it to have the original characters, the original actors, as part of this show?
Oh, it's imperative.
Huge.
Without the original actors, you don't have Dallas.
There's
it doesn't
no Dallas
feel
without
no. It almost feels like a caricature of itself
or
without
like
the real
a cheap
people.
version. It
Exactly.
would be if they weren't in the show. I don't think we would probably
No,
would not be
we
on the
wouldn't
show
have done it.
either.
No, and they're such good friends, and they have such a rich history, and they immediately made us all feel like we were part of the family.
Yeah.
There was no gesture or posturing of we're more important or because we've been there, done that.
Yeah.
No, it was so inclusive.
I don't know anyone who's not familiar with the original version. I mean, everyone knows the theme song, everyone's familiar with the characters and the Who Shot JR slogan. So I was super excited to read the script, and once I did read the script and read Cynthia's, just all the different storylines and the character that I was meant to play, Elena Ramos, I was thrilled, and then I was really hoping that I was going to get the role, and I did, and I'm just so happy to be a part of it. Initially I was really nervous that they were going to be like, who are these youngsters that are invading on our territory, but they weren't like that at all. They were so warm and loving and welcoming, and it was kind of amazing. The only advice was there has been some advice, but the main thing was have fun and enjoy it. And it's been really good advice.
When we found out it was real, we were so excited because we've been friends for 35 years, and to think that we could actually work together again was really a phenomenon. And then when we met the kids, it was instant. There wasn't a glitch. There wasn't a, who are these people? It was, these are amazing, talented, beautiful human beings that are going to join our family. And it was an immediate embrace.
This is an amazing opportunity for a young actor to be able to come in to a show that was, the biggest show in TV history, really, and to be able to hop on that ride with these amazing people in general, but actors, and to get to continue the story of Dallas it's a huge blessing.
And what kind of advice did they give you, or have they given you, about joining the Ewing family?
I think the first thing Larry said was enjoy the ride.
Yeah. Have fun.
Yeah. And I, from what I've heard, the stories that I've heard of the original, they're best of friends, and they had a great time. They just had a lot of fun, and I think that even if you're at each other's throats in a storyline, if you're having fun while you do it, and you really like each other, and it comes through, and people believe it, and you can take those storylines deeper.